Do you ever feel like your phone's battery drains way too fast, even when you're not using it? Or it heats up for no reason, leaving you wondering what's going on? Well, here's the thing. It's not always your battery's fault or how much you use your phone. The real issue is that background apps are running wild without you even knowing. I've got a simple fix that can save your battery, speed up your phone, and even protect your privacy. Let me show you how. What's really happening is every time you open an app, like WhatsApp, Facebook, or YouTube, it doesn't actually close when you exit. Instead, it keeps running in the background. Now imagine opening 10 apps throughout the day. They're all still running, draining your battery, using your data, and hogging your phone's CPU. And it gets worse. Some of these apps might be updating themselves, sending or receiving data, or even using your location, camera, or mic, all without you realizing it. That's why your phone heats up, slows down, and your battery dies faster than it should. The fix is simple. Limit the background processes. There's a hidden setting on your phone called Limit Background Processes, and it's a total must-use feature. It helps you take control of your device, empowering you to manage your phone's performance and privacy. By enabling this setting, you'll save a ton of battery life, speed up your phone by freeing up resources, protect your privacy by stopping apps from secretly using your data. And here is how to set it up. First, we need to unlock the developer options on your phone. Don't worry, it's super easy. Open Settings. Scroll down to About Phone. Tap Software Information. Find the build number and tap it 7 times quickly. You'll see a message saying, Developer Options Enabled. That's it. Now we're ready to tweak the background process settings. Now that developer options are unlocked, here's what you do. Go back to the main settings menu. Scroll down and tap Developer Options. It's a new section that just appeared. Scroll to the Apps section and find Limit Background Processes. Tap it, and you'll see a few options. No background processes. This shuts down every app as soon as you exit it. It's perfect for maximum battery life, but notifications might be delayed. At most, 2 processes. A great balance between performance and notifications, so you can stay connected without draining your battery. At most, 4 processes. Ideal if you use messaging apps like WhatsApp frequently. Pick the one that works best for you, and you're good to go. Now here's the deal. If you choose no background processes, you might notice delayed notifications for apps like WhatsApp or Messenger. You'll need to open those apps manually to get new messages. But in return, you'll get longer battery life, faster performance, better privacy. It's all about finding the right balance for your needs. By limiting background processes, you're telling your phone to stop wasting resources on apps you're not using. It's like giving your phone a break so it can focus on what you actually need. And trust me, the difference is huge. Try it out. Enable this setting and monitor your battery life for a day. You'll see the results for yourself. It's a small tweak, but it makes a massive impact. That's it for today. If you found this helpful, share it with someone who's always complaining about their phone battery. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Stay awesome.